When I retired at 42 in 2021, I discovered the concept of financial independence retire early, also known as FIRE. Even though I had already reached financial freedom, understanding the mindset behind FIRE helped me reflect on the steps I took and how others can do the same. The FIRE movement is more than just a financial strategy. It is a shift in thinking that focuses on living intentionally, saving with purpose, and redefining what it means to truly be independent. Achieving FIRE requires adopting key mindsets that will help guide your journey toward financial freedom. Check out the full details by visiting the link in the description. Number 1. Embrace your unique financial situation. One of the first and most important mindset shifts in the FIRE journey is to recognize that everyone's financial situation is different. Comparing yourself to others can lead to unnecessary stress and distractions. Instead, focus on your own financial picture and tailor your plan to fit your unique needs and goals. Factors such as income, expenses, family responsibilities, and personal values will all influence your path. Embracing your individual situation allows you to create a plan that works for you, rather than chasing someone else's version of financial independence. Number 2. Set realistic and personal goals. Setting realistic financial goals is essential for staying motivated. Ensure your goals align with your values and life aspirations. Regularly reviewing and adjusting these goals is key to staying on track. Start by identifying your long-term financial target, whether that's the amount of money you need to reach financial independence or the age at which you want to retire. Break these larger goals into smaller, manageable milestones. This will help you maintain focus and see tangible progress along the way. Number 3. Learn to delay gratification. Achieving FIRE requires a mindset shift toward delayed gratification. In a world of instant rewards, learning to prioritize long-term gains over short-term pleasures is crucial. This means resisting the urge to spend on unnecessary items today so you can enjoy financial freedom later. Delaying gratification does not mean depriving yourself completely. Instead, it is about finding a balance where your spending reflects your values and long-term goals. Remember, each dollar saved and invested today brings you one step closer to independence. Number 4. Celebrate small wins. The road to financial independence can be long, which is why it is important to acknowledge and celebrate small victories along the way. Reaching a savings milestone, paying off debt, or hitting an investment goal are all moments worth celebrating. Recognizing your progress reinforces your commitment and provides a sense of accomplishment. These small wins not only boost motivation, but also remind you of how far you have come. A reward system, whether it's treating yourself to a special meal or taking a weekend trip, can make the journey more enjoyable and sustainable. Number 5. Focus on value, not just cost. A common misconception about FIRE is that it is all about living cheaply. In reality, FIRE is about maximizing value in every area of your life. This means prioritizing quality over quantity and making mindful decisions about how you spend your money. For example, investing in high-quality items that last longer or spending on experiences that bring joy and fulfillment can be more valuable than simply cutting costs across the board. The goal is to get the most long-term benefit from every dollar you spend. Before we continue with the video, take a quick moment to hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't yet. And don't forget to ring the bell for notifications so you never miss out on our latest updates. Plus, we've got some helpful resources in the description. Check them out and share your comments after you're done watching. Number 6. Prioritize mental and physical health. The journey to FIRE is not just about money. Prioritizing your mental and physical health is essential for a successful and sustainable path to financial independence. Regular exercise, healthy eating, and mindfulness practices are investments in your well-being that pay off in the long run. Maintaining a healthy lifestyle not only reduces future healthcare costs, but also ensures you have the energy and motivation needed to stay on track with your goals. By focusing on your health, you can enjoy a higher quality of life now and in the future. Number 7. Redefine retirement. For many pursuing FIRE, retirement does not mean completely stopping work. Instead, it is about gaining the freedom to choose how you spend your time. Many people who achieve FIRE continue working on passion projects, start businesses, or dedicate time to volunteering. Redefining retirement as a period of exploration and personal fulfillment can help you stay engaged and motivated after reaching financial independence. It is important to plan for how you will spend your time, not just your money, once you no longer need to work. Number 8. Stay flexible and adaptable. The path to financial independence is rarely linear. You may encounter unexpected expenses, changes in your personal life, or market fluctuations that impact your financial plan. Developing a flexible mindset is key to navigating these challenges without losing sight of your long-term goals. Having a plan is important, but so is the ability to adapt when things do not go as expected. Build flexibility into your financial plan by maintaining a healthy emergency fund, diversifying your income streams, and being open to adjusting your strategy when needed. Number 9. Lifelong learning, a key to sustaining financial independence. A crucial mindset for achieving and maintaining financial independence is embracing lifelong learning. The journey to FIRE does not end once you reach financial freedom. Ongoing learning is essential for staying adaptable and making informed decisions about your finances. By staying curious and continuously seeking new information, you can adapt to changing markets, explore fresh investment opportunities, and adjust your strategy as your circumstances evolve. This proactive approach ensures that your financial independence remains secure while giving you the tools to grow your wealth. Learning new skills can also open doors to additional income streams. Many people who achieve FIRE find purpose in pursuing passion projects or starting businesses that align with their interests. By being open to learning, you can discover new ways to spend your time meaningfully while still growing financially. In a constantly changing world, lifelong learning is key to staying flexible and resilient, giving you the confidence to navigate whatever challenges or opportunities come your way. Achieving financial independence is not just about numbers. It is about adopting the right mindset to stay disciplined and focused on your goals. Whether it's learning to live with less, celebrating progress, or prioritizing your health and well-being, these mental shifts will guide you toward a life of freedom and fulfillment. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Also, don't forget the link in the description.